In a melon here right now. This is the melon field that I planted in September. Just getting something out of it. Yeah. Kind of bush up right now, but there's not much more I can do. And this is some of the melon that we have here. Here are some more. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah. Ooh. Beautiful. I didn't buy it from the store.